Hello, hello, welcome back to TGTV, and more specifically, ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to episode 3 of my cottage renovation series. A lot of changes have taken place, albeit not many changes here. We have my Range Rover in the garage, and we're going to get into the rest of the house in a second, but I just want to point something out very quickly with the garage, because my kitchen is now finished with wicks, ladies and gentlemen, but I just wanted to show you something. This was news to me. Probably should have measured it all properly. This ladder is a nuisance. It's getting in the way. It's preventing the Range Rover coming in far enough. It doesn't retract, so I'm going to have to go back to the drawing board. I'm going to rip all that out once the studio stuff upstairs is done. Because the Range Rover at the moment doesn't need to, but it doesn't fit in the garage. It's just that little bit at the end there. So if I needed to put the Range Rover in here, it wouldn't currently fit unless I stuffed it over in one corner or kind of parked it diagonally, which is not ideal. Anyway, that's all very boring. You'll notice some security updates, bits and bobs. There's a fair bit more than what you can see. But yeah, we've got kind of intruder systems, all sorts of nonsense, lasers and whatnot and jazz. In here then, we haven't got a new front door. That is waiting to be done. The steps a bit poo. The windows now are done though to match the garage. I'm going to get onto that as well. But I just want to show you the kitchen. Because, ladies and gentlemen, with wicks, it is now done. Da, 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 da. Look at it. Look at it just sat there. So some of you remember what it looked like in the last video. I cannot believe the change. It looks unbelievable. I'm super, super happy with this. They've done an amazing job. They've hidden obviously all the units that I asked them to. They've kept some of the existing stuff that I already had that was fine, the fridge included, and these units here. They brightened up this whole area here because this was a horrible cupboard unit type rubbish there. They've brightened it all up. They've moved the sink. And they've changed the sink, in fact, and there's a lot more useful storage. And there's actually a worktop now that goes all the way to this wall here. So the kitchen feels a lot bigger. And for what they've done, it really was not expensive at all. They've tidied up, obviously, all these plugs and units over here. The tiles look amazing. I'm really, really happy. Really happy indeed. Just need to start getting some booze in there, some food in the fridge and whatnot. But yeah, they've done an unbelievable job. They've kept the floor, which probably actually need to clean because I've been tramping around in here, but it looks fantastic. The colours and whatnot. These colourways, believe you me, I didn't really choose them. My design consultant was helping me throughout the whole process, and she kind of helped me choose what would look really nice, because obviously she knows what nice kitchens look like and I don't have a clue. So I'm really, really, really happy with how it's come out. Huge shout out to Wix, making the whole process really, really simple and really cost effective. Particularly this worktop as well. I actually got grief about my worktop from some of you. Some of you had a go at me because I've got a laminate worktop. Can you believe that? I actually got abuse over the type of worktop that I chose. Apparently, you know, wood or granite is more expensive, so I should have done that. But actually, for a place that I'm barely going to use, it's bad enough servicing my cars, let alone maintaining my worktop. I think that's hardy, low maintenance, cost effective, and it looks great. So for those naysayers out there, I'm very, very happy with my worktop. Very good indeed. The finishing's fantastic as well. Whee, we like that. We've got soft closed drawers in there as well. Love it. No slamming drawers. But yeah, everything's fantastic. Really nicely finished. I'm over the moon. I'm more excited about kitchen than I ever thought I would be. So huge shout out to Wix. Thank you so much. And obviously, and if you want to start the process, it's really, really simple. Hit the links below, get a brochure and get cracking and talk to a design consultant. Unbelievable job. So no updates in here then. I have had an architect round since and he's drawing up some plans to get rid of all this Rochambeau. It's absolutely horrible still in here. I've had to get the heating done. So the heating system packed up. We've had a new boiler and we've got a temporary stand and a bit of tarpaulin. We've got a heating tank under there. So I'm going to get something nice worked onto there, like a little ornamental table, or I don't know. If you've got any clever ideas, let me know. But that's new as well. Cost me an arm and a leg. I didn't even have time to get it sponsored, so I paid full whack for that. Brilliant. Also being watched up there once again. I will also be watched down the side as well. Fun and games. Right, let's go back inside then. That is pretty much it. Bar the security stuff from Contact Fire Solutions. These guys have done this. Bar all the security stuff and bar the private security firm that are monitoring this place. There's not really much else to show you. I mentioned the windows at the beginning. Sharps, windows and doors, they did this. They actually came up with a really cost-effective solution. So these are the original windows, which are actually fine. I just hated the fact they were brown. They were this horrible, well, it looked like that. They were disgusting. and I wanted them to match the garage. So really clever what they've done. The cross beams were actually brown, and they were inside the window pane, but they put these beams over the top, so you wouldn't actually know. They've come out really, really well. Super happy with them. So yeah, really cost effective, and it means there's no waste either. It doesn't mean ripping out something that's absolutely fine to go and replace it with something that's absolutely fine as well, just looks slightly better. So really happy with those as well. I think that is pretty much it for now. There's not really a huge update other than my kitchen, which is now done. Architect's been round to do the rear extension, my loft extension, and to sort out plans up there as well. So that will all be coming to the channel, and that's going to be really, really dramatic. But for now, just a little update, just to keep you all abreast of what's going on, and there'll be more dramatic updates coming very soon from my country cottage. In fact, I think I might trial moving a car in here very soon. So for now, thank you very much for watching, and do subscribe. Stay tuned for episode 4 of this series very soon, which will be a far more dramatic one, I promise. I'll see you all very soon. Bye!